Hey there! Got a bouquet for you. Sawadee Welcome to Tiger in the Kitchen, and today we're making water spinach stir fry or pat pak boom. Water spinach, or some people call it morning glory, is so easy to find where I live right now. But I remember back then when I was living in Cape Town, South Africa, it's only available at the Chinese supermarkets, and it was quite far away from our house back then. So if you have the same problem as me in the past, check out this video of how to make this meal with the baby spinach instead. I mean, it's the same method actually. You can just switch this up to baby spinach, and you can even use this stir-fry sauce to make this meal with watercress, bok choy, or other vegetables. This water spinach stir-fry is such a common Asian dish, and you can find this meal in so many countries in Asia. For example, in Indonesia, they call it tumis kangkung. But the stir-fry sauce will be a little different since they also add terasi or the shrimp paste in it. Each country have their own way of seasoning, but overall pretty similar. This meal is going to be yummy, very easy, and fast. Let's have a look at the ingredients. We'll need water spinach. Might look quite a lot right now, but they're like spinach. Once being cooked, they'll shrink to little. Garlic and chili. Chili is optional. Thai style, I think we like it spicy. If you want to leave the chili out or reduce the amount, absolutely as you want. Oyster sauce. If you're allergic or want to switch this meal to a vegetarian dish, you can switch to mushroom sauce. This is a great substitute for oyster sauce. Light soy sauce. Sugar. White pepper powder. And preserved soya beans, or taucho is what they call it here. Please correct me if I pronounced it incorrectly, alright? In Thailand, we know this as tau jiao since it's from a different Chinese dialect, but anyway, this ingredient gives such flavors, mainly salty and umami. If you don't have or can't get it, you can use miso paste as well or completely leave it out and add a little extra amount of soy sauce instead. I'll tell later in the video for the ratio. And vegetable oil. So we're gonna remove the bottom part of it since it's more chewy anyway. And this can throw away or try to regrow, up to you. Then for the stem part, I like to cut it around 2 inches size. And the leaves, I'll leave them longer since they'll shrink. Now, why haven't I cleaned it before? Because the stems are like straws. Sometimes there's some dirt or insects stuck inside. That's why we cut first, then soak in a vegetable cleaner or a mixture of white vinegar and water. Leave it for around 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse with the clean water for another couple times. Mash the chili and garlic roughly. And that's our new rescued puppy, Simba, in the background. Say hi to Simba! If you don't have a mortar and pestle, you can mash with a knife and then cut in half. For seasonings, normally I just put all of the seasonings on top of the water spinach, then just dump the whole thing in the wok. But different brand and source of ingredients can have a slightly different level of taste. You can also pre-mix in a small bowl and then adjust to your taste. For taucho, I'll mash it into paste first, just because I like it this way. We use 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, then a half tablespoon light soy sauce. If you don't have taucho, increase the light soy sauce to 1 tablespoon. A half teaspoon sugar, white pepper powder as you want, and water around a couple tablespoons. Mix. Now you can taste and adjust if needed. Pour 3 tablespoons vegetable oil in a hot pan. We're doing medium-high heat, but if you have a high flame stove with a cool proper wok, go for the high heat. Add the mashed garlic and chili. Stir for like a half minute until fragrant or until you feel like sneezing. Then the water spinach. And the seasonings immediately. Now toss around, which would take around 1 or 2 minutes only. Yeah, that's how quick it is. done and ready to serve. Hope you enjoyed watching, and if you like Thai and Asian cooking, consider subscribe and hit the bell button for a weekly recipe. I'll see you next video guys. สวัสดีค่ะ Have a lovely day.